Okay, so now I can subscribe and then comment down below and then hit the bell button, then press all. Then we can distribute the bell it, but not now. Sorry I said that fast. So today, we're gonna fit the video section today. That's right, guys. Now, number one will be oh, wait. Maybe I have to like and subscribe. So that's what you have to do right now.
Okay, so now I can subscribe.
Now, wait, hold up. Okay, app section equals videos. Alright, give me the videos. Thank you. Alright. Now, it to be YouTube logo image. Alright. It's supposed to be just like that. Now, we'd like to copy image address. Now, let's inspect. Let's inspect this right now. All right. All right. Let's paste it. Paste. All right. That sounds good. Now it's supposed to be. Now we got to replace this. All right. Click this button. Just like that. Now, okay, I'll say welcome to YouTube. Welcome to YouTube. All right. Welcome to YouTube. Maybe we need a description right now. You got to inspect right here. Welcome to YouTube. YouTube. I'll make it not true. YouTube has joined Epic. Alright. YouTube has joined Epic, but there's no space. Actually, okay, give me the space. Oh, so these are the spaces, right? YouTube has joined Epic. Alright. We got to do, is to copy our thumbnail. Yeah. Our thumbnail. Our video will be over there. Over there first. Now, what we're gonna do is to go to youtube.com. Wait. Hold up. It's Game Time VIP YouTube channel. Alright. Alright, let's go to images. Now he's seen nothing. Okay, we got to go to It's Game Time VIP YouTube. Now, let's see. Home. Okay, videos. Okay, we got to open image in new tab. Good. Alright, it's good. We got to copy image address. I like my thumbnail. But we have to do it. Alright, just like that. Now. Over there. Any day now. Wait, Did I delete something? Okay, just never mind. Never mind. Let's paste. Alright. Good. It's good. Now, what we have to do right now is to go to YouTube. Yeah, that's our goal today, guys. YouTube.com. Now, we got to go to my videos. Now, my goal is to open it. Open that. Make sure I press the K button. Okay. Now, it says it's supposed to be this one. Part 4. Let me see. Epic inspect element. Changing profile. Names and hotbar. Alright, profile names, so space right here. Good. See that? Something. Oh, yo, I like that thing. Now, okay, let's. Now, we got to do right now is to edit as HTML. Okay, just like that. Now, wait, hold up. We're not doing the link. Okay, I knew it now. Notifications. I don't know how to spell that. Notifications. All right. Now, all right. My history. All right. My history. All right. Now, inspect. We're gonna edit this later. Let's see what I think of. Watch later. Okay. Now we got to edit this because I'm gonna run out of subscribers. Please give me one chance. All right. Now we gonna. I smell good. Okay, that's so good. Good. Yo, I cannot believe this. Now, the next one will be. Wait! What is that? Nope. Too late. Okay, I'm gonna delete this element. 3, 2, 1, mode truth. Do not delete the videos. Yes! We did it. Wait a second. Okay, that's it. We're gonna delete all the words that Epic resent ASAP. Dinosaurs. Instead, we're gonna do it to my library. My library. Yeah, do you know, that keeps storage of your videos? Yeah. What is this? Wait a second. I haven't edited this yet. Okay, I did it now. We're gonna do it like subscribers. I don't know how to spell subscribe. Subscribe to me, not Epic, because we are gonna do this today. Remember, this video is for how to. Now, subscribers. We're gonna edit it to live. Yup, live was existed. Now, live. Now, emoji. Okay. Red circle. Okay, just like that. Now, just like that. Okay. Okay. Now. Three sixty videos. I don't know, 360 videos, alright. Okay. What did that? What did that? You see that? Okay, we got to edit this one last thumbnail. That's it. Let's see. Images. Okay, Wave Ocean images. Just like that. That has 1080 pixels. Yep, that's okay. Let's choose this one. Okay. Now it's. Oh my. No. Oh my. I don't know if it's prepared yet. Open image in new tab. Okay, thank you. Copy image address. Now, what we have to do is to inspect. Alright. Now. Okay, that's it. That's the thumbnail we are editing right now. Now let's remove this thing. Alright. I want to scroll down. Alright. Let's get rid of this command. Link. So that's what I meant. Alright. Now, let's paste it. Here we go. It's out. What is that? Oh my. Oh my. I covered. Oh no. Just I know that part. Yeah. Okay, so now I can subscribe and then comment down below and then hit the bell button, then press all, then link in the description, then buy my merch, but not now. Thank you. Also, you better subscribe to me. Okay. You better subscribe to me right now. You subscribed. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Bye.